आइए देखते हैं करिकुलम की नेचर क्या है। नेचर जब हम ये लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं तो ये बहुत सारे मीनिंग्स में इस्तेमाल हो रहा है। करिकुलम को किस तरह से डिफ़ाइन किया जाता है, करिकुलम के बारे में मुख्तलिफ व्यूज़ क्या हैं और करिकुलम के बारे में मुख्तलिफ कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्या हैं, इन तमाम चीज़ों को हम करिकुलम की नेचर में शामिल कर रहे हैं। Now, the word has emerged from Latin और लैटिन में करिकुलम का मतलब है एक रेस कोर्स। आप सब जानते हैं रेस कोर्स का लफ्ज़ हम कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं? ए कोर्स विच इज़ टू बी फॉलोड बाय द हॉर्सेस, राइट? जब हम एजुकेशन में रेस कोर्स की बात करते हैं, इट्स ए प्रेस्क्राइब्ड पाथ टू फॉलो एट ए ग्रेड लेवल, एट एनी स्टेज and in any school, whether it is for the teachers or it's for the students. When this term was borrowed in education, the word curriculum was used as a course of study. Course of study, which level? It could be at any grade level. And this course or the subject or the collection of subjects is to be completed over a given period of time. Now, with all these definitions, a race course, a prescribed course of study to be completed in a given time, the definition which emerged in 1920 was treated as the most modern definition of curriculum, according to which curriculum is not a product, it is not something which is to be gathered by the end of the year at a school. Rather, it's a process which starts at any grade level from the day one in a school, starting with the basic assembly in the classroom, with the basic assembly in the school, the teaching and learning process in the classroom, the activities which are carried out during the break time, during the play time, till the end. A school concludes the day and kids go home with a baggage of teaching and learning. Now, when we apply this term curriculum, general understanding like these days is it's a content, subject areas, it's a course of study, collection of subjects, it is a method of teaching and learning, it's a collection of activities for teachers, it's a collection of activities for students, and it is an activity for the teachers to complete. Besides, it's not the subject, it's not the content, it's not the subject matter, it's not the activities, but it is the time, the given time, the method of teaching and learning in which students and teachers are to be involved in order to follow a prescribed curriculum at any grade level. When we talk about teaching learning activities and their execution in the classroom, we have to look at the methods and the organization, how it goes from simple to complex, how it goes from very complex to into experiential learning. So all these activities and all these terms, they get together and they make a curriculum all together. In short, curriculum is all the experience which students gain right from the beginning of their day in the school, right from their beginning a year in the school till the end of the study which is concluded, whether it's a day या स्कूल के में एक साल की कंप्लीशन है या दूसरे ग्रेड में जाने की तैयारी है।